Hello, crazy coders. I'm Nathan, your host, and today we will talk about why C is so popular despite being 35 plus years old. And we'll go through four aspects of this programming language to answer the question. The aspects are history, philosophy, power, and market. History, philosophy, power are already covered in my previous videos. Do check out, the links will be in the description. And in this video we'll talk about market section. The history section, we talked about who created it, when it was created, why it was created, and also the timeline of various version releases of C++. In the philosophy section, we talked about what is this language, why it's different, how it's unique, and also the philosophy of this language, which is mainly philosophy C, OOPS, and generic programming via templates. And we also gone through the definition and the terms which are bold. So do check out if you are curious about it. And in the power section, we talked about what you can do with C++ and tools and technologies that are built with C++. So all these tools, all these large scale industry applications are built with C++, and also all these developments are possible. So links will be in the description. Do check out. Today we'll go through job opportunities, average salaries, demanding roles, and future of this language. Let's begin. As we discussed in the power section of the C++, we realized the fact that C++ has been used in large scale applications, and those applications are used in the entire world. So C++ as a language is widely used around the world to develop large scale applications. So this makes C++ developers very demanding, because C++ developers are constantly in demand. There is a market for them, and C++ tools are used because of their efficiency. That's why C++ developers are constantly in demand. So the major categories in which C++ developers work are majorly in old companies, or hardware development, and in high performance software development, because it's very much specialized, and that's what the market demands. And the industry in which C++ developers mostly get hired, and the technology industry, Fortune 500 companies, finance companies, the manufacturing companies, and telecommunication companies. So they require application that to be very fast. That's why C++ developers are hired here. And the companies such as Bloomberg, Walmart, .com, Citi, IBM, TCS, Maths Lab, HP, Infosys, they all hire C++ developers constantly. So if you are looking for job and you are a C++ developer, you should surely check them out, because they always keep hiring them. Talking about the salary, the average C++ salary ranges from almost 41k to 120k. Average lies between 71677. And for entry level C++ developers, the average salary is $66,058, and it starts from 40k to 101k. As experience, it increases a lot. According to Glassdoor, the stat says 95,052 dollars is the average base pay, and it can go up to 153k. And experienced C++ developers earn a lot than the fresher ones. As you can see by this graph, if your experience is less than 4, then the pay is very less, but after 4 years plus experience, you get hefty amount of money, and after that it's mostly flat. So before 4 and after 9 it's flat, but between these range you earn a lot. Talking about the future of this language, it will be very bright, and I say that because according to C++ ISO, which is International Organization of Standardization, it's planning C++ 20 and C++ 21 release, and C++ 20 will be very big release after 2011 release, which is C++ 11 according to ISO. So that's very interesting. And also they are planning C++21, and this shows that the organization itself is expecting this language to grow, and they're providing all the tools required for this language to grow. So that's very inspiring for developers as well to use it. And libraries such as OpenCV and TensorFlow. OpenCV is an image processing and computer vision library, and TensorFlow is a artificial intelligence deep learning library, and they both support C++. So that's why they both are very booming industry, and they support C++. The fact that they support C++ is very good, because C++ also benefits from this, because in embedded system programming C++ has no competition, and since these two libraries support C++, and the C++ supports embedded programming. So in embedded programming, if you want to give the abilities of image processing or maybe artificial intelligence, this is gonna be the best with C++. So that's why the future is also bright. And according to TIOBE index for September 2021, C++ ranks 4 along with C, Python, Java topping the charts. And this shows that C++ is competing hard with C, Python, Java, which are very much used in the industry, and also C++ is used. That's why it's so popular, and that's why we are talking about it. And finally, summarizing it, C++ is so popular because it's efficiency. C++ runs very well and runs efficiently. That's the part of the reason it's still in use, and why that is used, expanding and not contracting. So also community, another reason is community. Another significant benefit of C++ age and maturity is that it has a large communities of users, and this community of users spread around the world and in every corner of the dev world. And also the flexibility, which means C++ is a language that offers multi-paradigm coding, and these paradigms can also be combined for more efficient programming and results. Future, as we discussed, so much code written in C++ already, it's no surprise that there are plenty of jobs for devs who are proficient in C++. Top companies from Google to Microsoft often seek out hire C++ devs, and since Google and Microsoft will never go off, since they are very large scale MNCs, they keep hiring C++ developers, and C++ will be there. Summarizing: efficiency, community, flexibility, feature. These 4 reasons why C++ is so popular and will be popular for many more years to come. Thank you for watching this video, and if you missed the previous parts of this series, do check out, link will be in the description. And if you enjoyed, liked and shared, thank you, and subscribe if you don't want to miss the next videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead. We will catch you up in the next video.